Hello everyone! In this video, we're gonna learn how to sign out of Royal Match. To sign out or log out of Royal Match account is easy. Open your Royal Match application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in the main home page, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. In the settings menu, select Save Your Progress. In the pop-up, tap on the Sign Out button. Click on Yes in the confirmation dialog box and you'll be able to sign out from your Royal Match account. Tap the Continue button and that is how you can easily sign out of Royal Match. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.